Hi everyone! Today let's do a walkthrough of how you would enter installment sale into TurboTax. So this video is more about setting up your account if you're completely new to TurboTax. You can skip this one if you already have the TurboTax. So the first thing when you create an account or when you log into your account the first time ever, it's gonna pop up this personal taxes or business taxes. So within this installment sale, we just assume it's personal. We don't have to have so many things. So I'm just gonna say I own a home. What option does it give me? So look like now it's giving me a lower version. I can start for free. So this is DIY. So I'm just gonna say I did not file tax last year. Mia. Just say I'm retired. See what it's let me do. Okay. So select states. I'm just gonna say Hawaii, and of course you will select the state that you're in. And then if you live in another state, you want to check this. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not going to enter all of that. So I'm going to do single. Do you have any dependent? No. No, I did not make any money in other states. Let's go to wages and income. So look like this is the agreement with TurboTax and you cannot bypass it. So I'm just gonna So this is the section after you have your account set up and you can enter all that information ahead of time. It seems to be pretty relatively quick. We're gonna go into this section and we're actually gonna enter the installment sale.